You can see, wow. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Miggy Drives. Today we're gonna wash my daily and I'm gonna put a new battery case or cage in my Honda Civic. This might be a two-part video, so we're gonna go ahead and get things started. So let's get it. You ain't rocking, you ain't rocking. Unkink that. Sometimes you gotta whip it. Turn on the water. All right, so this channel was originally the TJM Car Club. Rest in peace. Still love you guys, John and Tristan. Here's my Chemical Guys kit. Let's get her opened up. Chenille wash mat, scratch-free car wash mitt, our workhorse professional microfiber towel. Oh man, I think I bought this kit on, I cut my finger earlier. A piece of cracked tail light. Oh, all right, let's see what else we got. I think I got this for like 50 or 60 bucks. I don't remember, but like I said, I think I can leave you guys a link in the description so you can actually get like 10 or 15% off of this. This is actually my first Chemical Guys kit, so take a picture of that for the thumbnail. And what else we got? We got a foam gun. Yo, this is actually pretty dope. Foam blaster car wash. So we just got to connect that to the hose. That's dope. We also got this big brush, I think to scrub the tires, the wheels. Premium microfiber applicator, ultra soft, perfect for interior and exterior detailing. Butter wet wax, so I'm pretty sure this goes on last. Snow foam auto wash. We got the Sticky Circus wheel cleaner. Ooh, window clean glass cleaner. Our Hyperco protective dressing. I really don't know what that's for. I'm not gonna lie. And then of course we got a 5-gallon bucket. Let's go, Chemical Guys Los Angeles. Don't let your babies in it. All right, so first things first, before we open our mitt, we're gonna connect the foam blaster to the water hose. Specifically states for use with garden hose. Foam blaster car wash foam gun. Let's get it. Oh, yo. This looks crazy, bro. Wow. This is actually really dope. Got the hose. The extra stuff, I think that's okay. That's the end of the gun. And then we got manual, and that's it. Oh, so this is a Cyclone dirt trap for the bucket. So it keeps the dirt at the bottom of the bucket. That's pretty dope. These are to dry off. So first I'm gonna rinse out the car. Then I'm gonna put the solution in the Chemical Guys foam gun. And then we'll foam it, scrub it, wash it again, and then apply the wax and stuff. Jeez, man, this is my first time doing this. And away we go. All right, so we gave her a good first rinse. Now we're gonna add the watermelon wash. The watermelon wash, man. You know, Shark Tales. I said 1 to 3 ounces, so. Yo, I feel like Arnold or Rambo, bro. Look at this. I am loving this. Yeah. All right, so now that we're done with that, it's time to open this bad boy up and start scrubbing. Let's get her done. I'm having way too much fun. Never thought washing my own car would be this much fun. You always gotta massage the booty for your ladies. Always. Wow. Honestly, guys, she's already looking a million times better. And she smells like watermelon. I'm definitely gonna start doing this like before Cars and Coffee, like probably the day before Cars and Coffee or something like that. So apparently Chemical Guys has a QR code at the bottom of all their products so you can see what you're supposed to do. All right, so now we're gonna use the Hyperco protective dressing. Basically, we're just gonna clean the trim all around the car and the door handles, and it'll protect it from getting like sun bleached. So I think I messed up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the microfiber and make sure we dry the car so we don't get any spots. I mean, she already did a pretty good job of drying herself, so I just want to try and get like the parts that I didn't hit The dope thing is that there's lots of microfiber towels. They give you full-size microfiber towels to clean everything, essentially. This is my first time detailing my car. I'm sure anybody watching this, hopefully this isn't your first, but also if you're a beginner like me, slash novice, I guess, I hope this video helped you out a lot, to be honest. Really what the dressing is made for, you can see this is a lot, it's really washed out because of the sun, and these parts are darker. It's just basically to protect it and keep it looking new. And now we can put on our trim cleaner and clean our windows. So I think I'm gonna clean our windows first and then do the trim cleaner. Also, pro tip, I'm probably gonna do this inside too, just so we can make sure both sides of the windows look clean, because even I can see it from the windshield, my car still look dirty from the inside. Start with the inside first. All right, so we finished wiping the inside. Now let's do the outside. And we left a little drop right here. All right, so this is me with the window open. Just kidding. You can see the reflection right there. That's wild. That's really wild. All right, guys, so we're basically done. Cindy, I'm gonna name her Cindy. That's what her name is. It was Heather at first, but I don't like Heather. Cindy is looking amazing. Look at that dressing, that trim dressing. Literally makes the car look like it's fresh out the lot. It's still drying or whatever, but wow, even the door handles on the side, pretty sure it's plasti dipped, but it still looks nice. Like, oh man, like, wow, this is wild. I just want to say shout out to Chemical guys, dude. They did an amazing job with their products. I'm 100% happy. I messed this up, so I got to get some new 3M tape, unless it decides it wants to stick now. Maybe if I hold it for a little bit. It's still a little greasy from the dressing, but I'll fix that. We haven't even put on the wax yet. I'm not gonna use the sticky citrus wheel cleaner, because honestly, I mean, we can try it, but honestly I think that's just extra work. And then maybe just, you know, put some wax on her. To be honest, deep wet look to any paint work natural. Add powder, butter wet wax, shake well, clean surface before application, apply thin coat to surface using quality microfiber or foam applicator. Bada bing, bada boom. Wax on, wax off. You can see, wow. Wow, that's wild. This is our final product, man. Look at that. You can see the palm trees reflecting off my trunk. You can see the fence off the roof. Man, give her another look. She's looking fresh. Thanks again for watching this video. It's Miggy Drives. Make sure you hit a like, subscribe. I'm gonna leave a link / code down below so you can get a discount on your Chemical Guy stuff. Honestly, I've only heard nothing but good things about them, and I see why.